Good morning, students of class 10th, and have a nice day. As I am thinking, you all stay at home, so stay safe. Now, heating effect of electric current. When an electric current is passed through a resistor like nichrome, then the resistance wire becomes very hot. And produces the heat. This is known as the heating effect of current. As the आप सारे क्लास 10th के बच्चों से मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस बनाइए। मैं बार बार आपसे यही कह रहा हूँ कि आपको जो पीछे बनाया गया है उसमें न्यूमेरिकल्स को ज़्यादा सॉर्ट आउट कीजिए। जो क्वेश्चन आपका बनने में दिक्कत हो रहा है उसको आप भेजिए। जैसे पिछले क्लास में मैंने जो हार्डर क्वेश्चंस था उसको मैंने सॉल्व किया। अब आपको और जो लगे कि हम ये क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, आप उसको, इसका मतलब है यू आर नॉट स्टडिंग वेरी वेल एट होम। दिस इज़ अ वेरी क्रूशियल प्रॉब्लम फॉर योर फ्यूचर। अब this is the last point of this chapter, heating effect of electric current. When an electric current is passed through a conductor, or you can say resistor, because as I have raised this point, resistors, it means those resistance which has the highest capacity of resisting, so that the resistance wire becomes very hot and produces the heat. This is known as the heating effect of current. So the role of resistance in electric circuit is similar to as the role of resistance electric circuit is similar to the role of friction electric charge Q moves against the potential difference V then the amount of work done will be W is equal to VQ. W is equal to VQ, and we have to add W. It means what? This is the same unit of electric work done as the heating effect of current. And as we know, Q is equal to IT. V is equal to IR. So in that case, W or H is equal to IR into IT. This is I square RT. This is the heating effect. It can be written as H is equal to I square RT joule. Very important formula. When high electric current is passed through a conductor or resistance in a circuit, then the resistance wire becomes very hot and produces the heat energy. This heat energy is directly proportional to the square of the current and directly proportional to the resistance of the conductor and directly proportional to the time period. इट मीन्स कि करंट को कितने देर तक के लिए अगर हम पास कराएंगे तो कितना हीटिंग इफेक्ट आएगा, इस पर भी निर्भर करता है. करंट का जो भी स्क्वायर होगा, वैसे 5 एम्पियर का अगर करंट हम अप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो हीटिंग इफेक्ट इसका 25 एम्पियर का मतलब जूल के बराबर हो जाएगा लगभग. रेसिस्टेंस में भी जितना ज़्यादा रेसिस्टिंग कैपेसिटी होगा, हीट भी प्रोड्यूस करने की क्षमता उतनी ही ज़्यादा होगी. So let's we have another conclusion. Here the heat produced in the conductor is directly proportional to the square of the current in the circuit. Second one, directly proportional to the resistance of the conductor. And the third one, the produced heat is also directly proportional to the time for which the current passes. इट इज क्लियर। जितना देर तक जितना ही ज़्यादा करंट पास कराएंगे उसमें हीट प्रोड्यूस करने की क्षमता उतना ही ज़्यादा होगी, मतलब उतना ही ज़्यादा हीट प्रोड्यूस करेगी। Appliances which we use in our day-to-day life for producing the heat are heater, geyser, iron, oven, now we have some numericals based on this point. NCERT question, calculate the heat produced when 96,000 coulombs of charge transferred potential difference of 50 volt. We have to find out the I. Data is concerned, I is equal to Q oblique T. Q is given 96,000 coulomb, and the time is given 1 hour. 1 hour means 60 into 60 second.
Hello. ठीक है,
8/3 ampere. And now R is equal to V by I. V4 50 8/3. This one is equal to 50 by 1 into 3 by 8. पचहत्तर बाय 3 ओम. It is beta, by mistake it is written 80/3. Now what we have to find out the value of heating effect. H is equal to I square R T. I square R T. Now you may yourself imagine I की वैल्यू कितनी हो गई? 80/3 into 80/3. R की वैल्यू हो गई 75/40 और ये 60 into 60 जूल्स. This will be in joule, and whenever if you will have to find out in kilojoule, then you will have to divide by 1000. Thank you and have a nice day, and I hope you all will have understood it very well. This is the last point of this chapter, and I request you once again, all the students, you please solve harder problems regarding based on this theory, and if you are unable to solve any question, then you must put on to me, and then after I will give you proper solution. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.